Shubhada and today is the first day of Shravan Somvar. So I just thought maybe we can share few of the stories of this auspicious day, and I'm sure as kids we all have heard a lot of stories about gods, and today I'm going to share one of my favorite story which talks about Lord Shiva. And the temple's name I'm sure everyone must have heard about it, which is Someshwar Temple. So to talk about the story, we are just going to summarize it. It's not going in a very deep manner, just the gist of it. So the story carries three important characters. One is Malubai, her husband's name is Madhu. So in ancient days, people used to believe a lot in pujas, prarthanas and everything. So Malubai used to face a difficulty wherein she was not able to have a child. So the Pandit, which she used to believe in, guided her that she needs to worship Lord Shiva. So she started following her Pandit, and slowly she used to get up early in the morning, go to the temple, do abhishek of Lord Shiva with water, with milk. In evening again she used to visit the temple, she used to make prasad, and she used to do deep pujan for the Lord. And one fine day what happened is, in her dream Lord Shiva comes and guides her that she needs to go to Gujarat. There is a temple of Lord Shiva which is called as Sorti Someshwar. So God guides her that she needs to go there and worship the ling over there. So she gets up from a dream and shares this story with her husband. So the husband says, okay fine, he is alright with the decision of worshipping the Lord, because she wanted to fulfill her dreams to become a mother. So every day, she used to go to Gujarat. She arranged for the transportation, and she ensured that none of the days missed, and she worshipped every single day of Lord Shiva. So one fine day, Madhu, being a husband, he starts getting suspicious that it's been a month almost, and my wife, every night she goes out. She says that while going out that she's going to worship Lord Shiva, but he starts getting suspicious about it. So one fine day he starts following her, and to the surprise, he then starts feeling very ashamed that he doubts her wife, because she was already going there to worship Lord Shiva. So what happens is, next day when she comes to her house again, she gets a dream in the night, and Lord Shiva tells her that he is going to meet her, but he is going to meet her in her own village. She no longer has to travel to Gujarat, because Lord Shiva understands the kind of situation he had put her, because they started having a clash between the wife and the husband. So in the dream, Lord Shiva tells her that he is going to meet her. Okay, there is a place, and he is going to drink the milk from a cow. So she wakes up frighteningly, and she's like, no, this is just not possible. Maybe it is just like what we call, it's like a brahm. And it happens whatever Lord Shiva said. So Lord Shiva visits that place. There was a cow who was eating grass, and there is a person who is taking care of the cow, and his name is Koman. And Lord Shiva appears in the form of a huge snake. So the snake starts drinking milk from the cow, and the guard of the cow gets very scared that he has never seen such a big snake in his life, and he also fears that if the snakes by mistake eats the cow, so how is he going to survive for the next of his life. So out of that fear, what happens is, he takes out an axe from his pocket, and he didn't knew that it was an avatar of Lord Shiva, and he just has a cut on the snake's neck area. So post that, the snake just disappears. Nobody knows where the snake had gone. Again, the next day, Malubai again gets a dream wherein Lord Shiva narrates the entire incidents, that he had promised her he will meet her in her own village, but she couldn't come. And she then starts inquiring about this to the person who had a cow, and she was surprised to know that whatever dream she had seen the previous day, it was all true. She discussed this with her husband, and her husband tells her, let us go to that place. So when they go to that place, they are not able to find anything. There was nothing. So they take few people with them and they start digging the ground. And Lord Shiva in his dream had already, told her that whenever you're going to find my ling, it's going to be my ling, but my ling is always going to have the impression of the axe which was used by that person who was guarding the cow. When the villagers started digging the ground, no one was having a faith that whatever Malubai is saying is true. But when the ling came out, it had marks of that axe on the ling, and everyone then started believing Malubai. Lord gets, he then fulfills Malubai's wish. She becomes a mother, and he also tells her that every 4th Monday of Shravan, he himself is going to take form of a Nag from the Someshwar ling, and he is going to, give darshan to all his devotees. So this is just a small story which I had, heard as a kid and was one of my favorite. And let's see now how to do Shravan Somvar Puja in a short
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकाण्डमद्दमद्दमद्दमन्निनादबद्धमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम ब्रह्मन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरै विराजमानमर्दनीव गद्गद्गज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणम्
Shiva.